Hey, welcome back to another video. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Fola. In today's video, I want to take you through the step-by-step process of applying your skincare products. So buying a lot of skincare products is not enough. Knowing how to use your products, actually matter, and knowing when to use your products matter a lot. So if you would like to know which of the products is supposed to come before which, if you don't know exactly how you've been using it, or you want to know if you've been using all your skincare products correctly, this is the right video for you. Make sure you keep on watching and give it a thumbs up if you eventually like it. So the first product you should use when you want to start your skincare regimen is you should cleanse your face. Okay, that's the first step you should do. And cleansing your face, we have a lot of things you can cleanse your face with. Some people use black soap. I used to use black soap to cleanse my face. You can cleanse your face with black soap. You can use your normal soap, your normal bar transparent soap, or even normal face soap. Some people use fruits, all these fruit products that these skincare formulators produce. You can use that. You can also use this Cetaphil cleanser, those kinds of cleansers. You can also use that. But I do understand that there are some toners that you have to use, like you have to use them on your face first, wait it out for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then before you wash your face. I do understand there are toners like that. I actually have one like that. So if you have a toner that you have to use on your face first before you wash it out, that is very understandable. You have to just use your toner first, then continue after washing your face. But for those people that don't have to use anything before washing their face, wipe off your makeup and wash your face. That's the first thing to do. Okay, the second step after cleansing your face is toning your face. Okay, so we have a lot of toners that you can choose from. If you don't already have one, there are a whole lot of toners depending on what you want for your face. But the simplest toner would be rose water. If you don't have any toner, or you don't really want to go into all the skincare wahala, just get rose water and use it as your toner. You can decide to spray it, as in put rose water in a spray bottle and spray your face. That is after you must have pat your face dry with paper towel. I don't use the towel I use on my body for my face. I don't even use any towel for my face at all because they tend to be rough. I use paper towel. So after drying your face, use your toner. You can spray your rose water on your face, or put it in a cotton pad and clean your face with it. Or if you have other toner, if you have salicylic acid toner, if you have glycolic acid toner, this is where you use it. You understand? Yeah. After that, you use your serum. So I use vitamin C serum. I use hyaluronic acid serum. Sometimes I use goji berry serum. Those are the serums I use on my face. So you use serum after you have used toner. And going back to toner, if you know that you use all these, maybe Santa cleanser, maybe Pure de Leon, you have to use them in place of your toner. Now, if you don't use, if you are not using rose water or this or that, use your cleanser. But in this case, I don't mean cleanser as in soap for washing your face. I mean all these ones that you have to use, you have to put on your cotton pad. Use that to clean your face, let it dry, then use your serum, whatever serum you want to use. But I like to keep it on just 2 serums. I have about 3 serums that I use, but I use only 2 at a time. Hyaluronic acid first to sit on my face, then my vitamin C serum. Okay, then let it dry out. Okay, then use your moisturizer or face cream, whichever one you use. Face cream, let it sit for a while, then use sunscreen. If you are one of the people that if you use retinol on your face, if you use retinol on your face, you can use your retinol after your moisturizer. Or some people say mix it with your moisturizer. It gives the same effect. You can mix your retinol with your moisturizer and use. Then after everything, use your sunscreen. Whatever you do, just make sure you have sunscreen on. Okay, let us recap. So the first is you cleanse your face, you tone, you use your serum, you moisturize, then you use sunscreen. It is as simple as that. Whichever products you now use depend on you. You understand? Just make sure you cleanse. That's you wash your face, you tone, you use a toner, you use your serum. Okay, if you want your face to be, if you want to, get a glass-like finish, use your serum, then your moisturizer, then your retinoid if you want, and sunscreen. That is it. That is it. So I would like to ask you a question. If there's any products you would like me to review, if there's any particular video you would like me to make for you, please leave it in the comment section down below. A couple of people have been asking me questions about, have been telling me to review some, products, or to just ask me about anything, and I've been responding. So don't forget to hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions for me. Follow my Instagram and do follow. You can also follow my business page. That is for this video. I will see you in my next one.